Thank you. Thanks. I'm wearing navy, but I want to go for like a nude, so maybe one of these over here. Okay, so we are on our way to Alex's and Tim's wedding. We've packed everything. There's Junior suit and there's my dress. And yeah, the GPS says it's gonna take us an hour and.
I'm not sure.
An hour and no, 3 hours.
3
and
hours, not an hour. 3 hours and maybe 45 minutes. 3 hours and 45
minutes. So it is 11:33 now. So we should get there at 10, or I think latest past, because we've stopped, and I think we might stop again. So we're busy driving. We asked him to send us his live location, and we realized that we overtook them and they left so long ahead of us. Martin, you're on my vlog.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Very
good.
That's good. Hi.
How you doing?
We're all together. Hey, Steve.
Look at the cows.
You feel this is I'm only 11 nog. It's a new one, eh? How are you?
You see me clear. That's the one.
So we just got Nando's. We stopped and we caught up with Martin and Tim and Alex and Martin's girlfriend, and Natu and Steve, and we bought Ali a hot dog as well. And look, what a coincidence.
Out of the darkness I rose up. Gold in my soul, it's a gold rush. Honor and freedom, I toast up. Kicking game on the snare drum. Heart on the beat, let it bleed out like sacrifices. Cut it open.
I know.
The voices that told us, Throw dirt on my name and wish me the worst and scold us, Shot through the heart and pray on my downfall. But Young T prevailed on my outlaw. Stand on top of the table like John.
What are you doing, bro?
Remember next time before you doubt us. That only made me go John Jones. HGH, I got the shortcut. Got on my side, you got.
Good day. Shotgun, where you in first?
Steve.
Bro, no problem.
This Maserati was wrecking you guys.
Maserati!
We the ones.
I was just a sentimental kid with a little bit of attention deficit. Hyperactive disorder, always out of order. I never had a chance though, but I would've wished on every single sad song. Never really knowing the moments I was groaning was zoning by the opponent. Opponent kids like me, Satan sees an opportunity, making me feel immunity. As long as my community can sin like me, there's nothing more you need than you can be at peace for your life. And realize I was swallowing lies instead of my pride, and I had to give my
Ali. It's your wedding. This is going on my YouTube.
I like it short. That was last one. Let's just go for dinner.
Steve! It's a video. It's okay. We're busy getting ready for Tim and Ali's big day. And Mo, Ali's mom, spoiled us. And we're all getting massages before we all get ready, which is dope. But yeah, after this I'm going to be getting all the girls ready, getting all their makeup done, so I'll vlog then. Until then, we're going to be sitting with Mr. and Mrs. ODV. Carl.
That is a very big key.
I know. So
So you need some more milk.
what's wrong? Wait, let's just close Irene's makeup bag. No, but it's moving.
Okay, so it's a big one, isn't it? Do you want some more? Do you want some?
Celia.
So it's the morning after. We just had breakfast and now we're on our way to our friend's dam house in, where is it? In Koukouzellis. No man, where is it for real? It's about an hour and a half. It's about an hour and a half from here. So we're gonna spend a few hours there. Maybe try catch some fish and chill and smoke a herb and it is Sunday, so we do need to leave today. So on to the next destination.
Kom nu Sam. Kom boy, kom Sam. Kom Sam. He swam yesterday with Shanaina.
Don't let him jump on the boat.
Don't jump. Move.
So that's it guys, that was my very eventful busy weekend. I'm so tired, it's Monday today and almost didn't make it through the day. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video and enjoy me vlogging, let me know in the down section below. I actually really enjoy vlogging, like I've gotten the knack for it. And yeah, I think I'm really going to start doing more. I did do a birthday weekend vlog that I'm only going to be posting after this. But yeah, again, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.